Well, if you bought a Rikon bandsaw, the 10-inch, I bought this thing, I set it up. I actually done several jobs with it, but I could never get my wheel, which is here, to actually track my blade straight. So I took it apart, which is stupid because if I would have gone in this side and I would have done this, I would have known what the problem was. This holds the wheel that holds the blade that will chop your hands off, and this A-holes never tie this 4 bolts, so this will be rattling. So I guess it'll be a lot smoother once I put it back together, but anyways, I just wanted to share that with you.